Audio Jungle.
Modern manufacturing is fascinating. Building a Porsche 911 involves an amazing mix of machines and humans, 1,500 to be exact. It takes 2 days from start to finish, and a new time-lapse video boils down the entire process into just 4 minutes. It's the first time-lapse video of a 911 build ever, and it's mesmerizing. The particular 911 shown here is a GT3 built for racer like Keen. The car was ordered in the rare shade of gold bronze metallic, which was available as part of Porsche's Paint to Sample Plus program. With Paint to Sample Plus, a customer can choose essentially any color they like, which is then subjected to months of feasibility testing before it can be applied. For a 911 GT3, it costs $25,660. Keen's car was the first 992 ever painted in this color, and now, other 718, 911, and Taycan customers can order gold bronze metallic as part of the regular Paint to Sample palette for between $11,430 and $12,830, depending on the model. It's particularly neat to see how much is still done by hand, especially after the car is painted. So much of the build process is automated, as you'd expect for a car made in 2023, though it's nice to see there's still a human touch involved. Once the GT3 rolls off the assembly line, so to speak, we see Keen drifting it around the Atlanta Motorsports Park, the ideal way to break in a car like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.